Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a winter makeup tutorial for you guys on this beautiful soft glam makeup look. This is such a trendy makeup look right now, you guys. It's all about the glow on the eyes and the shimmer, as well as like the rosy cheeks and lips. So I had a lot of fun creating this look and I'm actually really obsessed. I love how soft it is and how clean it is, and it's just so doll-like and cute. In today's video, I used some new products in my makeup collection, so you will be seeing a little bit of a first impressions throughout the video as I share some new products with you guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to create this winter makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used to achieve this beautiful glowy look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, let's jump right into it. So I want to start off with some skin prep. So obviously with the winter weather, everything is dry. I did already wash and moisturize my face, but I do want to go in with some lip balm, and this is the Laneige Sleeping Mask. I love to just pop this on the lips just to get the lips nice and hydrated and ready for lipstick. I'm going to go in with the Merit Great Skin product. This is my mini that I just have in my makeup bag right now just because I did travel recently. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps on my hand, rub that in, and then we're just going to add that to the face. This really hydrates my face, you guys, and just brings back life to my face. I find myself using this a lot in the winter. Going in with my Skin Proud Under Eye Stick. This is the, what is this? This is the Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. I just love this stuff. It's so cooling and it just feels so nice and refreshing under the eyes. I feel like it really helps also depuff them and just kind of get the skin ready for makeup. Next up, I'm going in with some primer, and this is the Skin Ink Supplement Bar. I really like this stuff, you guys. I find it really helps kind of minimize my pores, and I just love how my makeup sets on top of this. I do like to concentrate this on my T-zone, but then I will also blend it out onto the rest of the face. Just for a little bit more hydration and glow, I want to go in with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Water and Green Tea one. Alright, skin prep is all done. I want to go ahead in and color correct. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury color corrector, and this is in the shade Medium 2. Just going to apply this under my eyes and around my mouth and just anywhere else where I have acne scarring and I just want to fix imperfections. Alright, I'm all done color correcting. Next, I want to go in with some foundation, and I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. Next up, I want to prep the lids for eyeshadow, so I want to go in with some concealer and setting powder. So I'll be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. Alright, lids are prepped and ready to go, so I'm super excited to be jumping into my first product that's going to be a first impressions. So I have the Soft Glam No. 2 Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. This was gifted by my sister. Shout out to Nosh. So this is basically like a mini version of their Soft Glam palette, and I've actually never used it before. So it's completely brand new, and I figured I can jump into this today to create a really nice soft glam winter themed makeup look. I'm gonna start off with the shade Incense, and I just want to dust this onto the crease to just kind of carve it out. I'm living for the instant pigment, you guys. Like, Anastasia never disappoints. Next up, I want to go in with the shade Dreamer. I'm gonna go directly in with my finger, and I just want to pat this color onto the lid. Wow, I am living for how beautiful this looks, you guys. This is definitely fitted for the winter makeup look kind of vision. I'm not taking any more new product. I'm just going in with the brush, and whatever product is on there, I'm just rediffusing the edges just so it doesn't look so harsh. So that's really it for eyeshadow. It's super simple and clean. Of course, I'm gonna wrap it up with some mascara. Maybe I'll go in with eyeliner. I'm still deciding, but I do wanna take a break from the eyes and work on the face a little bit. So we're gonna jump back in to concealer, and I'm just grabbing my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to conceal my face. And to set everything in place, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. I'm just going to spread out the setting powder onto the rest of my face because it's all done kind of setting on the concealer, and I just want to set the rest of my face because I'll be using powder, contour, blush, and highlight today, so I want to make sure that my face is nice and set before I go in with powder products. Next up, I want to add some bronzer. We need to add some color back into this face, you guys, and to do so, I have the Half Caked Double Dipper Color Duo. So this is a new product I'll be trying out today, and I'm excited to see what it's all about and to give you guys my first impressions and honest thoughts. I low-key struggled to get this to open, you guys. That was a little embarrassing. I literally had to turn my camera off just so I can fight this product and try to open it. So I'm just gonna keep it open for the rest of the video because I don't want to deal with that again. Please let me know if it's just me or if this happened to you as well if you've used this product. But regardless, these colors look absolutely beautiful. I love this color right here. I feel like I'm really gonna love that in the summer, but like I definitely want to use it right now. This looks like a matte bronzer, whereas this looks more like a cool toned slight shimmer bronzer. So I'm definitely here for the colors, and I'm excited to give it a try. I'm going in with the kind of lighter matte shade. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and there's just so much pigment. Like, I just dipped into this product once and I don't need to go in with more. I will just clean it up a little bit just so it's not so harsh. I do want to slightly contour my nose, and I'm just going in with the same bronzer. I do want to diffuse that out with a little bit of setting powder just so it's not so harsh. I'm also gonna take some setting powder just to sharpen out the cheeks so it's not so harsh. So I wanna take a break from the face, go back to the eyes, and just finish them off, you guys. So I think what I'm gonna do next is go in with a little bit of eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I have the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Graphic Pen. All right, you guys, so eyes and brows are done. For brows, I just used a brow gel and it was tinted. I went in with some falsies and I used the Kiss number 11, and for mascara I just went in with the $1 Billion Beauty Forever Lash Mascara. So eyes are officially done, and I'm just loving how glowy and clean the eyes look. It's definitely a vibe. So next up, I want to go in with blush, and I'm really struggling to decide on which blush to use, so I have some options. I have the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent Pink. So this is a really nice bright peachy kind of pink. It's got a little bit of shimmer in there. I feel like this is gonna look really nice for a winter themed makeup look. I do worry that this might be a little bit too bright, so just to kind of cool it down a little bit, I have the Persona blush in the shade Caramel. So I'm thinking I'm gonna use a mix of these two to get the perfect color. I'm gonna start off with the shade by Persona in the shade Caramel, and I'm just gonna pop that onto the cheeks first, and of course on the nose, and then I'm gonna layer with the Wet n Wild just to get a little bit of that shimmer as well. I'm definitely loving these two paired together. I'm really happy with my decision to do both and layer them. I feel like this is the perfect pink that I was trying to achieve for this look. So for highlight, I really want like an icy vibes kind of look, just because we're going for a winter makeup look. So I want to jump into my Ace Beauty Glow Essentials highlighter palette, and there's this beautiful kind of icy color, and wow, it's literally called Icy. So I think I'm gonna go in with this highlight, and I also want to add it on the inner corners. I feel like it's going to just tie the look together. Wow, I am living for this highlight. This is beautiful. This highlight shade is literally screaming winter, and I absolutely love it. Cupid's bow, of course, on the nose. And I want to take some on the inner corner just to add a pop, and look at that. Wow. Okay, I am absolutely living for this highlight, you guys. This is definitely tying the look together. I'm definitely screaming winter with this makeup, and I love it. So we're almost done with the look. I just need to do my lips. So I'm going to go in with some lip liner. I have the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. For lipstick, I want to go in with a nice soft pink that's going to really match the cheeks, and for that I'm using the Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Interview. I think this is the perfect soft pink, you guys. I absolutely love it, so I'm just going to pop that on the lips. You can definitely add a lip topper to your lips if you want to add a little bit more glow and dewiness to the makeup look, but I think I'm really happy with a matte finish just because there's shimmer on the eyes, shimmer all over the face. I do want to kind of balance out the look with a matte lip, and I just love the finish, so I don't want to touch it anymore. We're going to lock everything in place, and I'll be using the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's winter makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys, and I'm honestly so obsessed with how it turned out. It's just so cute, soft glam, and clean, and I just love the pink. It's just everything. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!